Good morning, students. Today we will learn something new, that is letters and applications. So in this picture you can see that a person is thinking about how to write a letter or an application. So here I am going to tell you what is the format to write application, so you will not think like him, that what is to be written and how it is to be written. So I am going to tell you the format. So before starting application, that I am going to ask you what you can see in the picture. That who is this? He is a postman. Okay, this is a picture of a postman. So, and the postman delivers the letters, but when we have to write down application, like application to the principal, we write application when we do request. Okay, so when we want something to be that it will be happen according to us what we want, so that it will be accepted and it will not be rejected. It will be accepted surely if you will write in an expressive way, so it will not be rejected. So how to write, what is the criteria, what are the steps, so to write application, that I am going to tell you. So listen, I hope you will listen it carefully, and there will be exercises that you have to do it and show it to me. So, and one more thing is that you have to start writing application from the left side of the corner. So basically today we are going to do applications. So first of all, I would like to ask that who posts letters and who delivers letter. So the people post letters to their relatives, to their friends, okay, in offices, in an organization, but and who delivers the letter, that is the postman. The postman delivers the letters. Okay, but I'm going to tell you that letters are of two types, that is formal and informal letter. Okay, so our topic is that we are going to do application. So what is formal letter and what is informal letter? That is formal letter is that those letter which we write in a formal way. No hi hello, we can't write hi hello. Formal letter we send in an organization, means in a school, in an office. Okay, and informal letters are those the letters which we send to our relatives or friends. So these we write to the organization. Sorry. So here organization, you can say school, to the principal, who is the head in the school, so the principal. And in the formal letters, in this one, formal letters, we have to write down in a very formal way. We don't have to use the informal language, informal letter in this letter. Okay, as we write hi, how are you, I'm fine here, in informal letters to our friends or relatives, but we can't use these type of language while writing formal letter. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that how to write an application. So application comes under which, that formal letter or informal letter. So the formal letters, this application will come under the formal one. Okay, applications are formal, like we have to say something. So I'm going to tell you how to write what is the format. So here is it. I'm going to tell you how to write application. So first of all, I have drawn over here a margin line. If it is not there in your notebook, you have to draw margin line, because we have to write application by touching this margin line at the left corner. So if there is an application, we write to the principal. So first of all, principal and the address you will write. This you have done in the previous classes also, as in same way, but there should be a standard of content. Okay, then this is the receiver's address, okay, the organization's address, and then you will write date, that will be whatsoever 28. In this way you have to write date, 27 of April 2020. Sometimes students write like 27/4-2020. That will be, don't write in that manner. So adopt this way, and then you will write subject. So subject can be anything that you are complaining against the canteen services, yeah, whatsoever in your school you are having problems, so you can write down. Or you can write down about, like, if you want SLC, school leaving certificate, so there you can, here you can write down requesting for school leaving certificate. Okay, I'm writing one, requesting for SLC school leaving certificate. Here I'm going to tell you one more thing, that is, if you have noticed, I have written first letter capital. See, requesting R is capital, school S is capital, then leaving L is capital, and certificate C is capital. Why? Because you, in a subject, you have to write in capital letters, but why I have not written 4? F should not be capital. So you have to write everything in capital except the prepositions or articles. Articles you know, and the prepositions you all know. So you have done earlier. So that we will write in small letters, other words we write in capital letters. Then we'll write salutation, that is sir, or if it is ma'am, so you have to write down ma'am, the person who is the principal. If sir is there, you will write sir, otherwise ma'am. If you are writing ma'am, so ma'am you will write in this way, okay, MA''AM. Then you will write your content, body of the letter, application, that is, will start with due respect, or you should have to start with most respectfully. In this way you will write, I wish to say that I'm a student of this class and I want to apply for SLC and all. Here you will write 2 paragraphs. Then after you will end up with thanking you, yours. Here I must tell you, you will yours sincerely, your name, if name is given in the question, so you have to write down that name, and then your class 7th. Okay, so in this way you write. So yours, YOURS, no apostrophe, nothing, no comma, no apostrophe. In sincerely, S should be small. So Y should be capital here, S should be small here. So keep it in mind, especially students do this mistake. So you have to write like this. In the body of the letter you have to write this in 2 paragraphs. So I'm going to show you how I'm showing you the content. Some of the applications I'm attaching, I will just attach in this file, in this video. I hope you have understood the format. So here are some examples of applications, that is, you can see over here. First application to the principal for requesting her to issue his school leaving certificate. Okay, so over here name has been given Noor, so that you have to write. So first of all, the principal, T and P should be capital. The name of the school has been, if it is given then write, otherwise write XYZ. Either here it is written Gurgaon, that is a place. You can write Alipur, then ma'am, then over here it has been started the body of the letter. See, 3 or 4 lines. See, only 5 lines are there. Only 2 paragraphs are there. First one is bigger than the next one. In next, you just have to write down, kindly issue my school leaving certificate and I shall be highly obliged. Then after, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write down, thanking you, yours sincerely. Then name has been given, that is Noor, so that you have to write. As it is second letter, you can see that complaint against the school canteen services. So here you can read it out, you can learn it. And here 3 to 4 paragraphs are there. You can write even in this way. Here you are complaining against something, so you can write like you can extend the paragraphs, 3 to 4 paragraphs, more paragraphs you can write. Then after, you can see here are the questions. Only 4 questions are there in application, writing application, so you have to practice them all. And today you have to show me your homework is first 2 questions. So you write applications, first 2 questions, and show it to me. Thank you.